everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse. Today we're going to be planting a pink hummingbird basket. I am using one of my own personal baskets, and this is a weekender basket. We're going to hang this summer on the playhouse in the secret garden. We had a pink hummingbird there last summer and it was so beautiful. I'll be sure to show you pictures. We absolutely loved it. It was humongous and stunning. So I've got a few of my own weekenders that we are going to plant it in. We will have this mix available in our regular black 15-inch baskets like you can see up here. And those will be available once we open April 22nd. So I've pre-filled this with our potting soil. We use a professional blend. It is a soilless mix. So this is a peat moss blend, and any good garden center will carry it. If you don't live in our area, please visit a garden center in your area to get some of these products. For this, we're going to, of course, be putting on slow release fertilizer. Now I'm putting in, quite a bit, about 1/3 of a cup. And this slow release will keep this basket looking fantastic through August and into September. Without it, it just doesn't have enough nutrients to keep it like super big and gorgeous. So using slow release at the time of planting is important. It's like eating healthy food every day. And then on top of it, we're going to give it vitamins, which would be liquid fertilizer. Whenever we are using our hose, there is liquid fertilizer in that every time. Let's get started planting. The recipe for this basket includes using 2 Supertunia Mini Vista Pink Star and 2 Supertunia Mini Vista Hot Pink. Now, these came from the supplier the same week. These are a little more advanced, and these are obviously smaller. It doesn't matter. We're just going to pinch these off after planting, and this whole thing will grow beautifully. So we always plant things opposite of each other to have balanced colors. So I'm putting the 2 stars across and the hot pinks across. This will give us a nice balance of color. For this mix, we use 3 lophus. This is Lophus Compact Rose. This is the one we use in the pink hummingbird. We're going to put 1 in the center, and then 1 between the petunias on one side, and the same on the other side. So it's like 3 in a row of the lophus. We just give that a look there. 3 in a row. Beautiful. This is going to be long cascading vines. They can easily get 4 feet long with pink trumpet flowers, which hummingbirds love. That's why these are the hummingbird mixes, and it's just stunning. Now we'd like to add some foliage. We love using the Marguerite potato vine. We've been using this beautiful lime green potato vine for many years. It's called Marguerite. There is another potato vine series called Sweet Georgia, which we're also using, and they might hold up a little bit better in the hot sun. So the petunias and the lophus could go in full hot sun. They'd be totally fine as long as you're watering enough. But by adding the potato vine, we got to step it down a notch for the sunlight and put it in an area where it will get a bit of a break from the sun during the daytime. Putting this against the playhouse, we're okay. We do get some shade, but we're excited to see the results from the other potato vines and see how they do. So these have already been potted up. I need to unpot them to put them in here. Just dig them out, and I'm going to put them on the other side. So it goes lophus, petunia, potato vine, petunia, lophus, petunia. The potato vine will be on this side. And it just gives a nice balanced basket. So there you have it. There's our pink hummingbird. It is going to be so pretty, just so beautiful. Thanks for watching, and we'll be sure to share with you some pictures of how this looks fully grown out. Bye guys.